Today I am reviewing the SVHT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The SVHT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is one of those modern home cleaning tools that immediately feels like a serious upgrade the moment you start using it. It combines strong suction power, smart dust detection technology, and a lightweight design that makes everyday cleaning feel faster, easier, and far less tiring than traditional corded vacuums. Right from the beginning, the standout feature is the 450W motor delivering up to 40 kilopascals of suction power. In real-world use, this level of suction is more than enough for daily household cleaning. It easily picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, hardwood floors, and tiles without needing multiple passes. What makes it even better is how consistent the suction feels, even when transitioning between different surfaces. Whether you're cleaning a thick carpet or a smooth floor, the performance remains stable and reliable. One of the most impressive innovations in this vacuum is the advanced green light detection technology. At first, it might sound like a small feature, but in practice, it makes a huge difference. The green light reveals dust particles that are normally invisible to the naked eye, especially on hard floors and under furniture. This helps you see exactly where dirt is hiding, making cleaning more precise and thorough. It almost feels like the vacuum is guiding you to spots you would normally miss. Battery life is another strong point of this model. With up to 45 minutes of runtime in eco mode, it is well suited for cleaning an entire apartment or medium-sized home on a single charge. Even in max mode, which delivers stronger suction for tougher messes, you still get around 20 minutes of powerful cleaning time. The dual mode flexibility is useful because you can switch between energy-saving cleaning for general use and high-power mode for deep cleaning specific areas. The brush design is especially helpful for homes with pets or long hair. The upgraded anti-tangle floor brush combines a V-shaped roller with a mix of soft and hard bristles, which helps reduce hair wrapping around the brush. This is a common frustration with many vacuums, but here it is significantly minimized. It allows the vacuum to continue cleaning smoothly without frequent interruptions for maintenance. The wider brush head also helps cover more surface area in less time, improving overall cleaning efficiency. Filtration is another area where this vacuum performs extremely well. The 8-stage fully sealed filtration system captures up to 99.9% of fine dust particles as small as 0.01 microns. This level of filtration is especially beneficial for people with allergies, asthma, or sensitivity to dust. It ensures that once dirt is captured, it stays locked inside the vacuum instead of being released back into the air. The inclusion of washable HEPA filters and extra replacement filters adds long-term value and convenience. In terms of usability, the vacuum is extremely lightweight, with the main body weighing only around 3 pounds. This makes a noticeable difference during longer cleaning sessions because it reduces strain on your arms, wrists, and back. It is easy to carry up and down stairs, move around furniture, and use in tight spaces without feeling fatigued. The ability to quickly convert it into a handheld vacuum also increases its versatility for cleaning sofas, curtains, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach areas. The 2-in-1 brush and crevice tool add even more flexibility. You can easily switch attachments depending on the cleaning task, whether it's detailed corner cleaning, upholstery, or narrow gaps between furniture. This makes it feel like a complete cleaning system rather than just a floor vacuum. Another important aspect is the overall build quality and customer support. The vacuum comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer service, which adds peace of mind for long-term use. For households with pets, kids, or heavy daily cleaning needs, having reliable support and warranty coverage makes the product feel more secure as an investment. Overall, the SVHT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers a strong combination of power, intelligence, and convenience. It stands out with its powerful suction, dust-revealing green light technology, effective anti-tangle brush, and lightweight design. It is especially well suited for pet owners, busy families, and anyone looking for a modern, easy-to-use cordless vacuum that makes everyday cleaning faster and more effective without the hassle of cords or heavy equipment.